Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and Android build because compatibility matters. Once done, enable unknown sources and backup system fonts or create a full phone backup. Next, install the Z Font app from a trusted APK provider. This app can inject iPhone-style emoji on many Vivo builds without root. You perform these steps now, so the complex font swap will work. Make sure storage is available, and you note any current font settings to restore if needed. You now open Z Font and navigate to the emoji section, selecting the iOS or iPhone emoji pack. This is the core change, because the app replaces your current emoji glyphs with iPhone designs. Once selected, tap Apply and accept any permissions or font replacement prompts. Z Font may create a new theme or install a font file. After the process completes, reboot the device or restart the system UI to let the new glyphs load. This step finalizes rendering. You finish by testing emojis in several apps to confirm the iPhone set appears consistently. Make sure keyboards and third-party apps show the new glyphs. If emojis revert or some apps still show old glyphs, reapply the pack, clear font caches, or reinstall Z Font and then reboot. In rare cases, a system update will overwrite changes. If you have root, consider a module or system-level font replace for permanence. One troubleshooting tip: clear app caches and restart after applying to resolve most display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.